Hey YouTube, I have another video here in which which I would like to continue discussing my project. This one will be all about the design and the CSS, kind of how I did it, my ideas behind it, some of the challenges I faced, that kind of stuff. So just a couple of things first. This is all vanilla CSS. So all of these React components that you're looking at here, they're not using any libraries. I wanted to take on that challenge just because I haven't done it for an application at this scale. And that's not to say that this is like, a huge project or anything, but it is a challenge. So uh, the next thing I want to mention, aside from the fact, in addition to the fact that it is all vanilla CSS, I did try the mobile first approach to mobile design, and in my opinion, that's the correct way to go. And the reason for that is it is much easier to add complexity than it is to remove it. So, what does that mean? Well, if you look at these CSS files, all of these rules apply obviously to all screen sizes, but I add complexity here in my media queries regarding this media size. So what I'm trying to say is that as the screen gets bigger, the application is going to become more complicated, and that's usually because you have more real estate that you can work with. Um, uh, so give it a shot. I'm glad I did that, and there isn't too much to this video here. I just want to demo the inside of DevTools here. I'd like to demo the responsiveness of this. It doesn't look too bad. On refresh, the messages do scroll all the way to the bottom. I have noticed though that when you change screen sizes, that gets messed up. So that is definitely something that I need to work on. And if you notice, I've got another bug here with this menu off to the left. I had not had time to look into why that's doing that, but I will. And the reason why I haven't worked on this yet is because this. Oops, I keep hitting this button here. My mistake. Hang on one second. Sorry. This menu here is for authentication. I think we went over this already. Um, I like the whole idea of having a full screen modal for mobile. It's much better. What you'll see here on full screen though is that the modal is an actual modal. Okay, back to the mobile design. I've got this stupid little menu here off to the left. It doesn't work exactly how I want it to, and I think I'm going to change it up. I think I'm going to make it like the modal for authentication. Um, Not sure yet, but that's kind of where I sit with the CSS at this point. If you have any suggestions or comments, please, I am definitely open to ideas here. The repository, the link to the repositories should be in the video. And I am definitely open for pull requests. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.